Okra water controls diabetes, asthma, cholesterol, kidney diseases. In brief moments, a written explanation. Okra is considered part of the foods that can control type 2 diabetes. It has potassium, many vitamins and minerals, and is practically free of calories. Okra is considered a very pleasant food by all who love it. Although okra is often served fried, it is a healthy meal to a great extent and has many health benefits, including treatment for diabetes. Okra as a natural cure for diabetes. The investigation. Several research studies have shown that okra can help treat and prevent type 2 diabetes. In a study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Biolead Sciences and conducted by researchers in India, it was found that the seeds and the skin of the okra have anti-diabetic properties that led the study subjects to stabilize blood glucose levels, the main concern in all diabetics. In this study, okra pods were soaked in water and one group was given the solution, while the control group received a solution of nut-boxymethylcellulose (CMC) cellulose gum, a cellulose derivative that is often used as thickener. The results showed that okra helped reduce glucose absorption and lower blood sugar levels. Similarly, a study conducted by a team of researchers from the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences of Vishwabharathi and published in the International Journal of Research in Pharmacy and Chemistry, found that okra extract has anti-diabetic effects. Over a period of 10 days, the level of okra gradually reduces the blood glucose levels in the experimental group, comparable to the reduction caused by the popular diabetes drug, metformin. How to make okra water to treat diabetes. Extracting the benefits of okra to treat diabetes is almost too simplistic to believe, but it works. Some people claim that okra water, consumed daily, can help prevent diabetes disease and restore the health of people who struggle to maintain their normal blood sugar levels. Here's how to prepare it. Wash well 4 medium-sized okra pods. Cut both ends of the pods. Cut them in half. Place the pods in a glass and cover them with filtered water at room temperature. Let the okra rest in water at night. Give the pods a good squeeze before removing them from the water to release any leftover sap. Discard the pods and take the water. Do this once a day to reduce the existing effects of diabetes or to keep diabetes at bay. If you are a pre-diabetic, you can also combine this treatment by taking a smoothie for diabetes and cholesterol with papaya with oatmeal. It takes almost no effort on your part and could save you money by reducing the need for expensive treatments. However, you should always follow the directions of your own doctor. Without a doubt, what I have told you in the video works, but it is not the universal formula. I recommend that you watch the video of a system devised by doctors who ensure to reverse the diabetes in 3 weeks, without pills or injections of insulin. Click on the link in the video description and know such an incredible method. If you liked the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.